Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be introducing the team shortly, but first of all, we'll have the national anthem again. I request for the national anthem and would request everybody to stand, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'll be introducing the teams to you. First of all, Team SQC Gold, Fayaz playing at number 1. Then we've got Rizwan playing at number 2, and the patron Shiraz Qureshi playing at number 3. From the Gallop Club, we've got Dr. Sarosh playing at number 1. Then we've got Said Farooq, the patron, also playing at number 2, and Mr. Haris playing at number 3. Request the umpire to please start. This is the second game for tonight between Team SQC Gold and the Gallop Club. They've started. The Gallop Club going towards the goal. Still the ball with them, and that's the first goal in the first 5 seconds of the game by the Gallop Club. Gallop Club would be taking off from there. They are not going to come in the center because Arena Polo has its own rules. Going again, Said Farooq missed it. Okay, there we have Fayaz on the ball trying to intercept. That's a nice backhand. Let's see if they can take it or not. Still with the Gallop Club. Ball rolling in between the players. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball, trying to take it towards the goal. Let's see if he can manage. Asking for a foul, did not get. Again asked for a foul and received. Rizwan asked for a foul very close to the goal pole. That would be a spot or a 30. Shiraz Qureshi taken the goal, and that's a goal, ladies and gentlemen. First goal of Team SQC Gold by Mr. Shiraz Qureshi, also the patron and captain of SQC Gold. Shiraz on the ball, taking it ahead. Nice, beautiful loft shot, and let's see who takes it. Okay, that's Rizwan going towards the goal. Nicely ridden off by the team blue. Dr. Sarosh. This is Fayaz on the ball. Haris. Both the teams are playing very well. It's a faster game from the previous game we just witnessed. That's a foul given. Let's see what penalty it is. It's a spot, ladies and gentlemen, in favor of team SQC goal. Shiraz Qureshi going to take a shot. He's bringing himself. He's bringing the ball himself. Beautiful shot by Shiraz Qureshi. Again, he's on the ball. Nice pass to Fayaz. Fayaz going towards the goal pole. Let's see if he can make it through. And that's a beautiful goal under the neck by Fayaz. Near side goal by Fayaz. Team SQ at 2. It's 2-1 right now. Team SQ at 2. Whereas Gallop Club at 1. This is a faster game than the previous one, as I mentioned. The ball has gone out, it will be thrown inside, the game will not stop. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball, moving towards the goal. Let's see if he can make it through. There's nobody behind him, and there he is. What a goal by Shiraz Qureshi, taken by Shiraz Qureshi. 2 goals by Shiraz, back to back. 3-1 is the score. Shiraz on the ball, and the wind has taken the ball aside. Nice back shot. Let's see who takes it. Gallop is very close to the goal, but I think it's gone out. Shiraz to take the hit again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very interesting game. 3-1 is the score. Team SQ leading by 2 goals. That's Rizwan on the ball, trying to go forward. Nicely done by Rizwan, and the ball goes out, would be thrown inside, and the game will not stop. Ball अंदर फेंक दें वापस, फेंक दिया गया. Shiraz on the ball, trying to go forward, and he's still on the ball. Let's see if he can make it through. Very close, and that's another goal by Shiraz Qureshi. Team SQ at 4. Hat-trick by Shiraz Qureshi. Back to back 3 goals by Shiraz. That's a good example of super patron and captain. Fayaz on the ball, going again towards the goal. Let's see if he can make it through. Beautiful shot, but no, it is out. Hard luck for Team SQC goal. 4-1 is the score. Team SQ at 4, whereas Gallop Club at 1. That's a nice shot by Gallop Club, moving towards, but intercepted by a Team SQC goal. Rizwan on the ball. Gallop Club actually galloping towards the goal. He's been hit on his finger, if I'm not wrong. Dr. Sarosh. Rizwan going towards the goal. 2 players on him. Shiraz on his back, trying to take it forward. Nice shot by... Okay, it is a goal. The 5th goal of Team SQC goal. 5-1 is the score. SQC goal leading by 4 goals. Shiraz should be taking the shot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very interesting game so far. Ladies and gentlemen, Shiraz Qureshi on the ball. Nice short pass to his players, but hit the goalie. First chukker is over. 5-1 is the score. That's a big score. And 3 goals by Shiraz Qureshi back to back, making a hat-trick for his team. Horses are going to be changed. We can see a change of player. Dr. Sarosh has got hit by a polo mallet. Hence we've got Wakil Khan playing instead of Dr. Sarosh. Okay, we've got 3 players playing for the Gallop Club. It's Dr. Sarosh and Danish and Wakil Khan now. Saeed Farooq is not playing in this chakka. The game has begun and a back stroke by Rizwan. SQ asking for a foul, did not get it. Rizwan on the ball, asked for a foul, granted. The foul took place at 5B. And I guess spot has been given. That means they need to hit wherever the ball was left. Nice short pass by SQ. Wakil Khan intercepted, trying to hook. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball, going towards the goal, and very close. That's a goal by Shiraz Qureshi. This is the 6th goal of Team SQC Gold. Beautiful shot by Shiraz Qureshi, equally coming towards 5B. Wakil Khan on the ball. Rizwan trying to intercept. Shiraz Qureshi's got it. Beautiful shot by Shiraz Qureshi straight towards the goal line. Let's see who picks it up. Rizwan very close to the ball, trying to turn. Successfully turned. Asked for a foul, did not get. Does foul given, I guess, in favor of Team SQ. Let's see. Beautiful match tonight, ladies and gentlemen. 6-1 is the score. Team SQ leading by 5 goals. Foul was granted in favor of the Gallop Club. Wakil Khan is taking the shot. He's bringing himself. Beautiful shot by Wakil. Let's see if the team players gets or no. No, not as yet. Okay, yes. Wakil again on the ball. Another foul was given in favor of Team SQ. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball. Beautiful loft by Shiraz. Fayaz on the ball, but he is trying, but he didn't take it. Wakil Khan turned. Again Shiraz Qureshi very nicely trying to turn the ball, and there was a bouncy ball. Beautiful near side shot by Shiraz. Still has the ball in his hand. Let's see if he can make it through. That should be the next shot. And a beautiful under the neck shot by Shiraz Qureshi, taking his team to 7-1. Lovely, ladies and gentlemen. This team has always been very unbeatable in many tournaments in Karachi. He's on a double hat-trick, Mr. Shiraz Qureshi. Beautiful game by Team SQ. That's nice shot by Fayaz to his team member Rizwan. Again going towards the ball, very close to the goal pole, standing at the goal, but could not go in. Wakil Khan beautifully taken it out. And that's Rizwan again. Rizwan and Dr. Sarosh. Rizwan has the ball, trying to go towards the goal. Foul given. Let's see whose foul that was. I've been told it was a foul given towards Team Blue. Seagold has again done a goal. This is 8-1, ladies and gentlemen. Another goal by Shiraz Qureshi. It's 8-1. Second chakka, half time is over. Shiraz Qureshi's beautiful loft shot, giving a pass to his fellow members. Let's see if they can take it. Fayaz on the ball. And yes, Rizwan, beautifully done, going towards the goal pole, but the ball went out. It will be thrown inside immediately, and the game will restart. Restarted. That's Wakil Khan. This game has been the best so far. Very fast and quick. Nice nearby shot by Fayaz. Let's see if they can. The ball's gone out. Will be thrown inside, and the game will restart. It has restarted. Wakil on the ball, trying to keep it to himself. Fayaz trying to write him off successfully. Let's see. Nicely done by Wakil. And this is Rizwan. Wakil just turned on the ball, trying to go forward, but was hooked. Didn't care much. Game going straight. That is Haris. And it went out. He couldn't control the ball. The ball is very bouncy, unlike the normal polo ball. This one bounces more than that. Shiraz to take the hit. Bringing straight. Fayaz on the ball. Let's see if he can make it through. Rizwan taking it forward. Being intercepted by the Team Blue Gallop Club. Nice nearby backhand. Oh, that was very close to the goal pole, but it didn't go in. Foul given. Let's see in favor of which team. Tonight's umpire is Mr. Kashif Jamal, also called as KJ, a two-handicap polo player, senior most polo player we have in Karachi. Foul was done by Gallop Club. Shiraz Qureshi took the ball. Fayaz, and the ball comes to us. Please throw the ball in. Ali Sher is going to throw the ball in. Another very good polo player, a zero handicap polo player of Ghaz Polo Fleet in MGPC. That was a miss by Dr. Sarosh. Rizwan has the ball. Again, backhand by Sarosh. Second chakka over. What a beautiful win of 9-1. 9-1 by Team SQC Gold. Gallop at 1. The ball, trying to turn, being intercepted by Shiraz Qureshi, but not successful. That Zaviar missed the ball. P. Mujib trying to go towards the goal pole, asking for a foul, did not get. Nicely turned by Rizwan and trying for a near shot, and beautifully done, going towards the goal pole. Let's see if he can make it through or not. Gone a little far away from the goal poles, but it is out. P. Danish will be taking the strike for Team Indus Polo. P. Danish on the ball. Nice shot by P. Danish to his player, but there was no one ahead. Shiraz Qureshi trying to turn the ball successfully. moving towards the goal pole, being intercepted by Pir Mujib. Danish has turned. And there's a confusion in between. Nice backhand by Pir Danish. And that's Pir Danish has the ball. He's trying to turn. Shiraz Qureshi trying to intercept, and that was a foul, a clear foul by Mr. Shiraz Qureshi. Pir Danish hit towards his. That has been taken by Shiraz Qureshi, and another foul. Okay, the ball has been toned. We are changing the ball. Please pick up the ball. Yeah, the ball utha le. Thank you. We have changed the ball. The umpire will restart by a throw-in. And there it is. First check-in process, 0-0 is the score. Both the teams are giving a competitive match to each other. Let's see who gets the ball. Rizwan trying his best. Trying to ride off. Samyar is there on the ball. Pir Danish trying to turn. Trying to bring himself. Nice lofty shot by Team Indus Polo. Shiraz Qureshi and Pir Danish trying to ride off successfully by Pir Danish. One shot will be given, and look at that, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, that was a foul because he did not let him take the one shot, which is a important segment of the game. Both Shiraz Qureshi and Danish on the ball. Shiraz Qureshi intercepted, trying to take a shot. Takes it successfully, and let's see if Fayaz can make it through. And that's the first goal of Team SQ Seagoal, done by none other than the patron Shiraz Qureshi. A beautiful shot by Team SQ Seagoal. And look at that, Fayaz trying to take it ahead. Pir Mujib, Rizwan, Shiraz Qureshi again on the ball, trying to do it himself. Trying for the first shot, which is allowed in the sport. Danish trying to intercept. Successfully taken, a beautiful lofty shot by Shiraz. Oh, that was a foul call by Shiraz, not granted. Oh, this is like a mini war happening there. Lots of things happening in the middle of the ground. That's a goal. And ladies and gentlemen, second goal of Team SQ Seagoal, if I'm not wrong. No, what was that? The Fayaz is going towards the goal pole. And let's see if they can make it through. Intercepted by Indus Polo. Pir Danish on the ball. Shiraz Qureshi with him. That's a near backhand by Shiraz Qureshi. But nobody was there to pick it up. Xavier on the ball, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Pir Danish has taken it. Nice, beautiful, loft, open shot by Pir Danish. Both players on the same team. Ball coming towards us. Pir Danish on the ball. Nice given pass to his team member, Pir Mujib, who has successfully taken it. And let's see if they can go towards the goal pole. Fayaz has missed it. Xavier on the ball. Shiraz Qureshi trying to intercept successfully, and Shiraz Qureshi trying to go towards the goal pole. Right now it is 2-0. 2 is Team SQC Gold. And now Shiraz is going towards the goal again, but he could not make it through. Very close goal, but could not get through. Peer Danish taking the strike. Peer Mujib on the ball. Slight confusion. Trying to ride off Shiraz Qureshi and Danish. Zaviar on the ball. Missed it. Peer Mujib also missed it. Peer Mujib has turned the ball. First chakkar is over. Second chakkar. First chakkar is over. It is 2-0 to Sea Gold at 2, whereas Indus Polo at 0. The players will change their ponies and come back shortly. गाने लगाने चल रही उसके बाद क्या है ये चाहेगा पीछे आजू बाजू डॉट डॉट पास आगे पीछे आजू बाजू डॉट डॉट पास पीछे आजू बाजू डॉट डॉट पास आगे पीछे आजू बाजू डॉट डॉट पास आगे पीछे आजू बाजू डॉट डॉट पास बन के जुड़ेंगे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ना बढ़ेंगे हम रुकेंगे ना किसी से भी पर है पैरों में तो उड़ेंगे हम ताजा ताजा हरा सा जज्बा दिल में भरा सा पागलपन सा जरा सा Ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting the second chakkar of this game. Team SQ at 2, whereas Indus Polo at 0. Foul asked by Indus Polo, granted in favor of Indus. They're asking for a penalty. They're moving towards the goal pole. I guess it would be a 40 if done at 5B, or maybe a 60. Let's see. They're going close. I guess that's a 40. Peer Danish from Indus Polo shall be taking the hit. Penalties are given when the fouls are blown, and it depends of the area, or they're going further close, that is most probably a 30 or even lower than 30. For arena polo, we reduce the size of the actual ground and use a soft ball, and in the other normal polo, the ball is the normal ball and the ground is at its full size. And that was Xavier, I guess, and it did not go in the goal. It's out. Team SQ to start the game. Shiraz Qureshi has the ball. Beautiful shot by Shiraz Qureshi. The ball goes out, will be thrown in, and the game will not stop. There we are. Fayaz on the ball. Peer Danish intercepting successfully. Danish has the ball, going towards the goal pole, being intercepted but could not by Rizwan. Peer Danish on the ball, and that should be a goal. That's the first goal of Indus Polo, bringing their team to 1 by Peer Danish. Peer Danish is the patron and captain of this team. 2-1 is the score. Seagold leading by 1 goal only. Going towards the goal pole. Xavier on the ball. Missed it. Peer Mujib taking it successfully. Being hooked by Fayaz. Shiraz going to turn the ball himself. Trying to give the pass, but nobody's ahead except Fayaz could make it through. Yes, he is. The ball was bouncing, couldn't take it further. Still Rizwan on the ball. Asked for a foul, which was a foul given in favor of Team SQ. Seagold at the goal post will receive a penalty, which will be a spot, should be a goal. Let's see. Shiraz Qureshi. And that's the third goal of Team SQ Seagold. Ladies and gentlemen, this team is now at 3, whereas Indus Polo at 1. Shiraz to take the ball forward. Beautiful shot by Shiraz. Rizwan on the ball. Beautifully done by Rizwan also. The ball goes out. Will be thrown in. The game will not be stopped. There it is. Little confusion, trying their best to take the ball, and Fayaz taking the ball towards the goal pole, but it goes out. Peer Mujib taking the shot straight to Shiraz Qureshi. Shiraz trying to turn successfully. Peer Danish trying to hook him. And that's Rizwan going towards the goal. Foul call not given. Shiraz on the ball, very close to the goal pole, but there is a confusion. A very nice shot taken by Peer Mujib, far from the goal post. And the game begins. That's Xavier on the ball. Nice shot by Xavier, being ridden off very well by Shiraz Qureshi. Both the players are still on the ball. He hasn't left the ball as yet. Xavier. Foul given in favor of Team Indus Polo. That could be a pretty hefty foul if they successfully put the ball through the goal poles. Peer Danish will be taking the penalty. He's trying to tee the ball. When you go for a penalty, you make sure the ball is put at a place where you can strike it well. It is called as to tee the ball, just like golf. P. Danish is going to take the strike for the penalty. Let's see if he can make it through. Successfully done. It is 2. The team Indus Polo at 2, whereas team SQC Gold at 3. Indus Polo playing better than their last game. The score is 3-2. Intercepted by Shiraz Qureshi, going towards the goal pole. And very close to the goal pole, asked for a foul. And that's a goal by Mr. Shiraz Qureshi, 4-1. Team SQ at 4, whereas the other team is at 2. 4-2. Second chakka done. Game is over. It is 4-2, sir. 4-2. 4-2. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Team SQ is at 4 and Team Indus at 2. Team SQ has won 2 games tonight, so far leading tonight's tournament.
प्रिंटिंग सेंटर में सेंटर की एंट्री वाली
Image is gonna hurt you.
They break your heart, but I don't really think there's anybody as bomb as me. So you can take this chance in the end. Everybody's gonna be wondering how you deal. You might say this is ludicrous, but tie your crew, tell her how you feel. Before I ever leave.
Team SQ versus HK Polo. Ayan on the ball. Rizwan trying to go towards the goal pole. Intercepted by Ayan. And there you can see Harsham Khan hooked by SQ once. Fayaz on the ball, missed it. Rizwan has a chance to turn and go back. Let's see if he can make it through. He's alone, nobody's with him. Intercepted, being intercepted by a player. Let's see. And that's the first goal of Team SQC goal by Rizwan, I think. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball. He's got the ball with him. Hasham trying to chase. Nice shot done by Shiraz. Another nice shot done by Shiraz. Ball is out. Ball. Team SQ versus HK Polo. The game has begun. Sami Ibrahim is the umpire. Unmounted though. Shiraz Qureshi, nicely done. That's a beautiful shot by, you can see Shiraz and Rizwan together. Nice back shot. Straight, just a little out of the goal. HK Polo Hasham should be starting. Hasham Khan on the ball. Nice shot by Hasham. Pass to Ayan. Nicely done by him. Beautifully Beautiful shot by Ayan going towards the goal pole. Let's see if he can make it through. Very close though. Taken by Shiraz Qureshi. Sweetly turned, but a tough call. Fayaz assisting Shiraz. Shiraz going towards the goal pole. Nice near shot. Tried his best. Ayan. Rizwan has a chance. He's alone. Nobody's with him. He can go. Let's see if he can make it through. Being intercepted. And it is out. Hasham Khan to start again. Beautiful shot by Hasham, giving a pass to his fellow member. Foul asked by Shiraz Qureshi. Unfortunately, there is no umpire inside the ground. Shiraz turned. Looks like a good tough game inside. Asked for a back hit by Hasham. And they're very close to the goal. That's a beautiful goal by Shiraz Qureshi. That makes Team SQC goal at 2, whereas HK Polo at 1. Shiraz Qureshi to start the game.
ये नहीं छोड़ता किसी को.
In this polo, we don't come to the 5B middle after each goal. We start from the goal post only.
मुझे शराद कुरैशी और काशिफ जमाल दो बंदों के
Shiraz
साथ
Qureshi, beautiful left shot out. Going out of the ground, they'll be thrown inside. The game will not stop. They're nicely taken by Ayan, trying his best. That is Rizwan on the ball. Nice near under the neck by Rizwan. Nice backhand by Ayan. Shiraz Qureshi should turn himself. Yes, he is. Hasham trying to intercept by trying to hook, but could not. Going straight by Shiraz Qureshi inside the goal. Beautiful goal by Shiraz Qureshi. He turned the ball and took it inside glamorously.
दो हो गए शराद कुरैशी.
Beautiful game by Shiraz, the patron and captain of Team SQC Gold. He's going to take a shot. Beautiful loft shot by Shiraz Qureshi. Nobody to pick it up. Hasham coming to turn. Turned successfully, going towards the goal pole. Nobody in front of him. Rizwan trying to... That's Ayan. And that's out. Nice try by Ayan, but could not make it through.
गोल नहीं हुआ. नुमान ने किया.
Hit the Naroz है? HK का. Shiraz Qureshi on the ball. Naroz trying to stop. Hasham Khan with Shiraz. Beautiful game by Shiraz. Heading towards the goal. Let's see if he can make it through. Slow down. And very close to the goal pole. Trying to turn himself. Rizwan seems to be very far from the ball. Maybe he's trying to the players to come back. Good placement by Rizwan. He was trying to save from this angle. That is Hasham unsuccessful. Fayaz also unsuccessful. Shiraz Qureshi tried to turn himself. Beautiful mare, but he could not. That's Hasham. Naroz trying to take the ball. Yes, he is. Very close to the goal pole. Let's see if they can make it through. And no, it just touched the pole. And first chakka over. 3-0 is the score. SQ team is leading by 3 goals by nil.
SQ 3 goal and Shiraz Qureshi.
A very tough game being led by Team SQ Seagull. Team SQ has been a winner for all the games tonight. So far, leading by far the goals and also the wins. We can see a drone in front of us, looking beautiful.
फिर उसके बाद फाइनल
Yeah, there you are, very close to us now. Trying to focus on us, or maybe you, sir. Yeah, on the umpire comes Secretary GPF, Mr. Sami Ibrahim. Look at that, beautiful.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, and the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say hi, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow.
दोनों जा रहे हो
We can see Noroz
कहाँ जा रहा है
getting a photo shoot. Well played, Noroz. Well done. Good game.
हाँ ले ले ये घंटा लगेगा
Baby, calm down, calm down. Baby, somebody you put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you feel like fall down, fall down. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh.
Players are being lined up and we'll start our last chakka of the last game for tonight between HK Polo and teams SQC Gold.
I see this fine girl for my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my fine situation, I could use
The game is being started shortly. There's the throw-in. This is the last chakka, last 7 minutes for the last game for tonight. Team C Gold leading by 3 goals, whereas HK Polo at 0. Fayaz has the ball, tried for a back, could not successfully.
कौन
He's still on the ball, trying to turn, going forward, hooked by Noroz or Hasham, was it? Hasham. Ayan on the ball with Shiraz Qureshi. Hasham Khan trying to intercept. Nice shot by Shiraz Qureshi going straight to the goal pole, and that is a goal, ladies and gentlemen. 4th goal by Team SQC Gold. This is the last chakka of the last game for tonight. Team C Gold, Shiraz Qureshi has the ball, bringing it ahead. Hasham Khan would try to intercept, turning the ball successfully, going towards the goal pole with and intercepted. Beautiful under the neck, near side by Rizwan. Ayan, nice shot by Ayan. Straight to Shiraz Qureshi though. Shiraz Qureshi. Right. मैंने दिखा रखा है हम खत्म होने वाली है. Look at that. Trying asking for a foul, but not declared by anyone. However, I think Shiraz has given it. Shiraz Qureshi, a one handicap polo player, also called as the ambassador of polo in Karachi. Ayan has the ball, trying but could not successfully take it ahead. Fayaz intercepting Shiraz Qureshi. There's a confusion in between. Let's see what happens. Rizwan has the ball. Nice lofty shot. We've got Hasham and Noroz together. Hasham Khan trying to go towards the goal pole. Let's see if that was a little quick. He should have slowed down for a successful goal, but this game is like this, you sometimes go a little faster than needed. Beautiful lofty shot straight towards the goal poles. What a beautiful goal, one of the best goals of tonight again by Mr. Fayaz. That takes the team to 5-0. Team SQ at 5, whereas HK Polo at 0. Shiraz Qureshi going towards the goal pole to take the strike.
टाइम बचा कहाँ है?
Last half chakka of the last game for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Lofty shot. Rizwan missed it. It was bouncy. Noroz and Hasham on the ball, trying to turn, missed it. Ayan on the ball now. You can see Hasham and Rizwan turning it successfully, being intercepted not only by the players but the legs also. There was a hook. Fayaz and Noroz, nice under the neck, near under the neck by Noroz, trying to go towards the goal pole but not successfully done, a little out. Happens in the sport. Shiraz Qureshi to take the shot. Shiraz Qureshi, Hasham, Rizwan, Ayan trying to turn. Nice turn by Ayan. Nicely done. So far so good. Noroz trying to turn towards the ball. Let's see if he can get it through. He missed it. SQ taking it ahead. Hasham and SQ very close. He's trying to keep the ball under his horse. Rizwan has a chance. Beautiful shot by Rizwan, going straight towards the other side. Ridden off very well by Ayan. Hasham trying to turn. A few minutes to end the chakka. Hasham has a chance. Nobody with him. Nobody is with Hasham. He's all alone trying to go forward. Missed it because it touched the horse's legs. Fayaz has the ball. Missed the ball. I think all the players are now tired also. They've been playing for the last few hours and the horses are also tired. It's a tough game, ladies and gentlemen. Polo is not an easy game. Ayan has the ball, trying to go in, and that's a goal by Ayan. That's the first goal for this chakka and this game by Ayan. Beautifully played, nicely turned, and that's last 5-1. Team SQ has won by 4 goals. Team SQ at 5, whereas HK Polo at 1. Beautiful night at GPF. GPF was formed in 1989, the oldest polo field of Karachi. Then it got a little gap, and after a few years we got the